Greetings! I recently discovered a product promising to harness the untapped power of our brains, aiming to bolster our cognitive abilities like never before. However, it's crucial to note a scam warning before we delve deeper. We've been alerted that several individuals are vending fraudulent copies of this revolutionary product on unofficial websites. To put it plainly, the authentic Billionaire Brain Wave can only be acquired via the product's official website. To keep you protected and assure you obtain the genuine article, we've attached a link in the video description and pinned it as the top comment. Please exercise caution to prevent becoming a scam victim. Now, let's focus on the Billionaire Brain Wave. It's a program designed to rewire the brain, facilitating interactions with the subconscious. This package includes meditation audio tracks containing a blend of powerful sounds such as bells and chants. These potent sound waves assist you in attracting wealth, health, joy, and much more. Through it, you can manifest effectively, dispel darkness from your life, and empower your mind to remove any barriers hindering your path to success. The program aims to metamorphose your life by rejuvenating your mind. Your subconscious plays a pivotal role in your life, steering your feelings, thought process, and decision-making. When your mind is in a healthy state, you'll experience positivity and motivation to actualize your dreams. Hence, the Billionaire Brainwave program intends to modify your subconscious mind to draw whatever you aspire to in your life. You may be skeptical, questioning whether this is all too fantastical. Allow me to assure you that the founders of Billionaire Brainwave stand by their product's efficiency. They extend a 90-day money-back guarantee to all consumers. So, if the product fails to meet your expectations for any reason, you can claim a refund within 90 days of the transaction. There's no risk involved, you only stand to gain and have nothing to lose. Are you prepared to leap forward and unleash your brain's maximum potential? Navigate to the official website using the link in the video description or the pinned comment underneath. By ordering directly from the official site, you'll be certain you're receiving the authentic Billionaire Brainwave experience, fortified by their money-back assurance. To wrap it up, if you're seeking to enhance your cognitive performance, tap into your latent abilities, and achieve remarkable outcomes, I strongly advocate trying out Billionaire Brainwave. Remember to remain alert against frauds and only purchase from the official website. Click the link below to learn more and unlock your mind's potential.